KFG weather overview looking at the seasonal snowfall thus far in areas that are most favored to get it, which is up into the Hudson Valley, up in upstate New York, Vermont, New Hampshire, Maine, near the lakes. And you can see that there's only sporadic instances where seasonal totals are up above 6 inches right now in the areas in yellow and orange. So quite a slow start to winter in areas most favored to get it. Now, the New York City area doesn't see a lot of snow before the 10th of December, and the progression of things would make it so that February actually is the snowiest month. So anything we get before then is definitely on the plus side if you like winter weather around here, especially before January 1st. So that's the lay of the land right now. The models are playing tricks on us, as is Mother Nature. It looked for a lot like the last time I was on that the week of the 6th would be cold, but I can only describe it as a dramatic flip in the models, and also the fact that the northern jet stream wants to head for the hills, or head for the hills of northern Canada. Because as we look at the weather map for December for Sunday, around the 5th, we're going to have a quick, mild burst of weather, just like we had today, with highs around 60 on Monday. But you'll notice it on Sunday as the temperatures come up. The temperatures will feel quite nice on Sunday with highs around 50. But then the mild weather is short-lived, but so is the cold. So we're going to see in and out shots of cold take over for next week. It's not going to be all that bad around here in terms of when you compare it to December normal temperatures. In fact, by next Thursday, after a brief cold shot next Tuesday, Wednesday, we might be warming up again. So I would expect the pattern to basically repeat itself over the next 7 days, where we get in and out shots of cold and in and out shots of mild weather, very volatile with the temperatures, but nothing too terrible as far as cold taking the stage. It's not going to be doing that, and that is the exact opposite of what the models were showing only a week ago. So we're in for a wild ride, it looks like, over the next 1 to 2 weeks trying to figure all this out. What happens after the 10th, who knows? But you can see that we get some showers to move through here Thursday night and Friday. It goes away. We cool back down for tomorrow with highs in the 40s, but Saturday, Sunday, the temperatures come up each day, highs around 50 on Sunday. Monday, we have a pretty strong front move through, but before it gets here, we could have highs around 60 to 65. Now, there might be a lot of cloud cover, which precedes the rain Monday night and Tuesday, but look for it to be quite mild on Monday. And then that goes off, and then we have seasonable weather move in for Tuesday into Wednesday with highs probably back into the 40s, but then wash, rinse, repeat. And a storm tries to move through on Thursday, but not a lot of cold air to work with around the 9th. Who even knows if that's for real? That's just something we'll have to keep an eye on in the long range. So Friday's temperature is around 40, 42. It's breezy. 47 on Saturday. 50 on Sunday with arriving clouds. Not bad at all. Monday, look at this. Highs in the low 60s. Plenty of clouds, though, and we'll see a period of moderate to heavy rain at night. Tuesday will be we'll see some clearing with highs only around 41. So the roller coaster is going to go wild the next 5 to 7 days here with highs around 45 on Wednesday. So it's not boring, but it's not wintry either. So that's the story for the next 7 days. In and out cold shots, in and out warm shots. It's just going to be one of these things. We're just going to have to track it, and we'll see what happens after the 10th.